Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to learn how we can add new account in Telegram, so you will be able to add multiple accounts in Telegram app. Let's get started. Open your Telegram and then choose this button on the top left corner of your screen. Just click on it. Then you have to click on this button and choose add account right here. And you have to put your phone number, and before you put your phone number, you have to select your country right here, and I have selected my country, and I'm going to put my number phone right here. All right, and after that you can click on this button and click the check mark and wait for a moment, guys, and the Telegram will send an OTP to your phone, and you have to enter the code right here. And after you enter the code, your Telegram account will be active. And I have received the code, and let's check it. Let's check our account right here. All right, this is my new account. I'm sorry. This is the new account that I have just added to the Telegram. Okay guys, that's how we can add new account in Telegram. I hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching.